Unleashing Innovation, Luxury Electric Cars and Groundbreaking Technologies. Title: Unleashing Innovation, Luxury Electric Cars and Groundbreaking Technologies. Introduction. The automotive industry has been undergoing a significant transformation in recent years, as the push for greener transportation solutions becomes increasingly important. One of the most exciting as of this evolution is the development of luxury electric cars and the groundbreaking technologies that are driving their innovation. In this article, we will explore the realm of luxury electric vehicles, EVs, and delve into the cutting-edge technologies that are propelling their growth. 1. The rise of luxury electric cars. Luxury automakers have recognized the potential of electric vehicles and embraced the concept of sustainable transportation. Tesla, for instance, has revolutionized the industry with its range of luxe electric cars, challenging the conventional perception of EVs and reshaping the market. Other established luxury automakers such as Audi, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz have followed suit, introducing Air-own electric models that combine opulence and environmental consciousness. 2. Advanced battery technology. One of the critical factors that have propelled luxury EV success is the advancements in battery technology. Lithium-ion batteries, coupled with constant research and development, have significantly improved their energy storage capacity, allowing electric cars to cover longer distances on a single charge. Moreover, innovative battery management systems have been developed to enhance safety and prolong battery life. These breakthroughs have mitigated one of the main concerns surrounding electric cars: limited driving range. 3. Charging infrastructure. The growth of electric cars relies heavily on the availability of a robust charging infrastructure. Luxury electric car manufacturers are actively collaborating with governments and private companies to expand the charging networks. Notably, ultra-fast charging stations have been introduced, capable of delivering a substantial amount of power in a short period. Furthermore, wireless charging technologies are being explored, reducing the hassle of physically connecting the car to a charging station. These advancements are improving the convenience and viability of electric cars as a primary mode of transportation. 4. Autonomous driving. Luxury electric cars are at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms enables these vehicles to adapt and improve over time, creating a safer and more efficient driving experience. 5. Connected car technologies. Luxury electric cars are leveraging connectivity to provide an enhanced driving experience. With integrated features such as voice commands, real-time traffic updates, and remote access through smart phone applications, these vehicles offer seamless connectivity on the go. Additionally, advanced infotainment systems entertain passengers and provide access to a plethora of digital services. The seamless integration of technology within luxury electric cars is redefining the way we interact with automobiles. 6. Sustainable materials and design. Luxury electric car manufacturers are not only focused on sustainable powertrains but also on sustainable material sourcing and design. Recycled and eco-friendly materials are being incorporated. Red. Boosting the environmental footprint throughout the vehicle's life cycle. Furthermore, aerodynamic designs are being implemented to minimize drag and enhance efficiency. These efforts demonstrate a commitment to sustainability and a holistic approach to luxury electric vehicle production. 7. Performance and luxury. Luxury car enthusiasts often associate power and performance with traditional internal combustion engines. However, luxury electric cars are challenging this perception by delivering exceptional performance without compromising on opulence. Luxury electric vehicles offer instantaneous torque, providing thrilling acceleration. The absence of engine noise amplifies comfort and refinement, taking the luxury experience to new heights. The combination of cutting-edge technology and luxurious features is appealing to a wider audience, making electric cars an attractive choice. 8. The role of government initiatives. Government initiatives and policies have played a crucial role in the widespread acceptance and growth of luxury electric cars. Incentives such as tax credits and subsidies have made these vehicles or affordable, encouraging consumers to transition from traditional gas-powered cars. Additionally, strict emission regulations implemented by governments have prompted luxury automakers to invest heavily in electric vehicle development, further driving innovation in the industry. 9. Collaborations and partnerships. The success of luxury electric cars and groundbreaking technologies in the automotive industry is not just the result of individual efforts. Collaborations and partnerships between luxury automakers, technology companies, and even energy providers have fueled advancements in the sector. These strategic alliances allow for the exchange of knowledge, resources, and expertise, accelerating the development of cutting-edge technologies and solutions. 10. Environmental impact and sustainability. Luxury electric cars have a significantly lower environmental impact compared to traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. With zero tailpipe emissions, these vehicles contribute to improving air quality and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The reliance on renewable energy sources for charging further enhances the sustainability aspect of luxury electric cars. The adoption of electric transport on a larger scale has the potential to make a substantial impact in the fight against climate change. 11. The future of luxury electric cars. The future of luxury electric cars is bright, with ongoing technological advancements continuously shaping the industry. Further improvements in battery technology are expected, leading to even longer driving ranges and reduced charging times. Autonomous driving capabilities will become more advanced, eventually leading to fully self-driving luxury electric cars. The integration of renewable energy sources and energy storage systems will promote sustainable charging practices. Furthermore, the use of innovative materials and designs will enhance efficiency and aesthetics of luxury electric cars. 12. Consumer adoption and awareness. Increasing consumer awareness and acceptance of luxury electric cars are essential for their continued success. As more people recognize the benefits of electric vehicles, including cost savings on fuel and reduced environmental impact, their demand is expected to grow. Luxury automakers have a vital role in educating consumers about the advantages and dispelling any misconceptions surrounding electric car ownership. Continued marketing efforts and improved accessibility will contribute to increased consumer adoption. 13. Challenges and opportunities. While luxury electric cars and groundbreaking technologies offer immense potential, they also face challenges and opportunities in their path towards widespread adoption. The high initial cost of luxury electric vehicles remains a barrier for many consumers, despite the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance costs. However, as technology continues to advance and economies of scale are achieved, the cost of electric vehicles is expected to decrease, making them more accessible to a broader range of consumers. Another challenge lies in the availability and accessibility of charging infrastructure. Although efforts are being made to expand charging networks, gaps still exist, especially in rural and remote